Okay, I kind of feel like I shouldn't have stopped after the RP slide, but because there's still going to be a few slides in this particular stretch of lecture. But be that as it may, this is usually a fun one to do in class. We're not going to be able to do it together. You can give it your best shot either at home or as I walk through it on this video. But Swedish is kind of famous. So we talked about Norwegian, which is closely related to Swedish. It has all like 4 high vowels. Swedish is kind of famous for having the most vowels of any language that I know of. It's not famous because I may or may not know about it. It's just famous generally. Anyways, we can try to produce all of them. I'm going to at least play all of them, and you can sing along at home. Okay, so we got
Rita.
I'll mention here.
Rita.
This is supposed to be that like post or alveolar approximant, and it's got this little thumbtack diacritic underneath it, which means it's a little bit higher than a normal approximant, so it's kind of fricative-y.
Rita. Reta. Räta. Här. Ritt. Rätt. Ryta. Ruta. Röta. Hör. Nytta.
And it has this rounded schwa vowel.
Rött. Rött.
Not quite the same as this low, mid, front rounded vowel.
Rota. Råta. Rata. Rot. Rått. Ratt.
Okay, that's Swedish. Fun times. So I'll let this, I'm going to use that to kind of lead into something else I want to talk about, which is vowel spaces in general. So most languages are not Swedish. And in fact, many languages throughout the world have, say, 5 vowels or maybe 3 vowels. And when they do, they're often separated evenly in a vowel space in, say, a triangle form. So a very popular vowel space option looks like this. We have E, U, A, O, A. And in fact, right, we only have 5 letters for the vowels in our alphabet. Maybe that's one reason why. And then in this case, this A tends to be kind of central, not really front or back. Because there's kind of no need to maintain a distinction between the two. You just kind of take the middle, the average value. But this is popular. If you have just 3, you might have like E, U, A, something like that. So I'll give you examples of 5 vowel spaces from 4 different languages taken that have no historical relationship with one another and are in different geographical places in the world. So we got Spanish, a language from Europe.
Masa, mesa, misa, mosca, musa.
We got Swahili, a language from Africa.
Pata, peta, pita, pota, puta.
And all these languages are doing the same thing. Hawaiian is from Oceania.
Kaka, keke, kiki, koko, kuku.
And Japanese is from East Asia.
Ma, me, mi, mo, mu.
They all have these 5 vowel spaces. Okay, so that's common for some reason in the languages of the world. What we don't often get in the languages of the world are 5 vowels that are distributed like this. So E, I, A, A. Why is that?